My name is Brian Keeley. I'm a VP of Operations at Brown Machine, capital equipment manufacturer of thermoforming equipment. We're vertically integrated to where we actually fabricate and do the assembly portion of everything related to thermoforming. Well, one of the reasons that we wanted to build we wanted to add on to our company was we ended up doing an acquisition of a competitor company that we needed to bring in-house. So we wanted to expand our operations in the assembly area. So at that time, we ended up adding on a little over 13,500 square feet, crane building with 60-ton crane capacity. We went through the quote stage, obviously, and I went to the company that actually built our first crane building, and I also come to FED to get a competitive quote. And once I ended up doing that, kind of went through the process of how we were going to put this building up and how it was going to actually be constructed for our needs. With that, it was extremely impressive from the FED Corporation for the professionalism that they provided me. Drawings up front before I actually got the quote of conceptual ideas. They kept in communication with me throughout the build process. And during the quote stage, it was very nice to actually have these people come in and give us some ideas on what they've experienced over different builds that they've done in the past. There was very, very little bit of interruption throughout the build process because we were adding on, and they had done everything that they could to maintain their own basic construction off to the side while we kept production going. Something that is kind of unheard of is how many contractors do you know that actually build something on time. FED actually was early, and I was quite impressed with how that actually came about. Having the new addition has brought in the capacity that we needed for extra builds. We have actually outgrown that capacity already, and may be looking in the future for expansion. And I will definitely come to FED to work with in the future. I highly recommend FED just because their communication, professionalism, and the project management surpasses anybody that I've ever dealt with. I've been with my company for over 26 years now, and I've went through several additions, several contractors, and by far FED is superior to me out of all of those.